Welcome to Yellow Rose Estates, an exclusive gated community in the heart of Hunt, Texas. Just a scenic 30-minute drive west of Kerrville along the tranquil curves of the Guadalupe River. Here, rustic hill country charm meets refined luxury across 13 tracts, each spanning 20 to 50 acres. It's more than land. It's a rare opportunity to claim your private piece of Texas paradise. From sweeping hilltop views to quiet stretches of the dry Guadalupe River, every acre is thoughtfully curated to celebrate nature's beauty, privacy, and peace. With a community wildlife management plan in place, you'll enjoy lower property taxes, alongside thriving native and exotic wildlife like axis deer and blackbuck antelope. And from the observation tower, you can take it all in. Private paved roads wind through the manicured grounds that feel more like a personal nature preserve, framed by thousands of acres of neighboring ranches that protect your privacy. Tract 1 offers a move-in ready retreat with guest homes and a pool surrounding the original Yellow Rose Ranch residence. And on Tract 6, a custom luxury home by Strickland Construction awaits. Whether you're seeking a secluded family getaway or a forever home site, Yellow Rose Estates is where your hill country legacy begins. But with only 13 tracts available, opportunities like this don't last long. Schedule your private tour today and discover the elegance, serenity, and heritage of Yellow Rose Estates.